Hi everyone, it's Holland. How are you doing today? I would like you to welcome Kirsten Rieffer to my channel. Kirsten, if you're watching this, it's so good to have you as a subscriber. Thank you so much for taking the time to subscribe. It feels awesome. I know you're going to enjoy my channel, enjoy my content. I do inspirational quotes. I do decorating videos, movie clips, sayings I like, quotes that I like, poems, I read books, I do a plethora of videos. I just want to be a positive light in this broken world. So Kirsten, thank you so much for taking the time to subscribe. If you are new and just have disabled life, welcome as well. I look forward to interacting with you on this channel. Thank you so much for subscribing, Kirsten, and have a wonderful day. Bye.